Welcome back to another enlightening GeoEnviroPro talk. In today's talk, guidance on critical issues in soil vapor intrusion investigations, we explore the nuances of soil vapor intrusion investigations, a critical environmental concern in the contaminated sites industry. Central to today's presentation is an understanding of the Conceptual Site Model, CSM, an essential tool in assessing vapor intrusion and identifying key issues. It's vital to consider both factors that may result in increased potential concern, such as preferential pathways, shallow contamination, and future site conditions, including changes in the physical landscape and building structure that could increase vapor risks, and factors that reduce potential concern, such as vapor attenuation resulting from biodegradation or lateral vapor migration, where the building is not on top of contamination. The 2022 Contaminated Sites Approved Professional C-SAP Society Guidance Update plays a crucial role in addressing soil vapor and ambient air quality in British Columbia through a comprehensive evaluation of these CSM factors. The C-SAP guidance also brings together recent research on these topics. For example, we now have a much better understanding of critical nature of preferential pathways, such as sewers, underscoring the need for comprehensive investigation and understanding of these conduits in environmental investigations. Recent science indicates aerobic biodegradation of petroleum hydrocarbons can result in significant attenuation, which led to biodegradation attenuation adjustment divisors being incorporated in the British Columbia Vapor Protocol. An emerging site screening approach for petroleum vapor intrusion adopted in other jurisdictions are distances from the source to receptor or vertical screening distances. The 2022 C-SAP Vapor Guidance is readily available on the C-SAP website for further reference. Today's presentation also highlights specific issues relating to soil vapor investigation that may be required under new provincial regulations for soil reuse. This potentially includes sampling stockpiles for vapors, a uniquely new assessment component that may need to be considered. The information provided in this video simply skims the surface of all that was covered during the free in-depth half-hour webinar. To foster continued professional development, we have introduced an exclusive membership program. As a member, you will join a vibrant community of individuals who share your commitment to excellence in the environmental field. Our exclusive membership program offers unlimited access to full webinar recordings, future events, and discounts for just $15 a month. Corporate memberships are also available. Stay tuned for more engaging GeoPro talks. And until next time, keep exploring the world of environmental science with GeoEnviroPro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.